Henry Ford, born on 30th July 1863, died on 7th April 1947, said, "When everybody seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it." Henry Ford was an American automobile manufacturer who created the Model T in 1908 and went on to develop the assembly line model of production, which revolutionized the automobile industry. As a result, Ford sold millions of cars and became world famous business leader. Henry Ford said, "When everybody seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it." When everybody seems to be going against you, first of all, understand, nobody goes against you. For somebody to go against you, just understand somewhere there's a gap, there's a communication gap. Somewhere your homework is bad. Somewhere down the line, your last drop of your talent, you have not been removed yesterday, and that is creating the virus, that is creating the disease for others to pinpoint, for the body to pinpoint something wrong. You must squeeze out the last talent. When you squeeze out the last talent, it is shared to many people and you become very healthy. When you refuse to remove the last talent and keep complaining to others that they are misusing you, they are torturing you. That was the talk everywhere. Everywhere to go, the company is trying to squeeze me out, trying to torture me out. Are you conscious to gain something from that company? Are you conscious that you have gone there to gain something? You must be conscious. When you marry, when you go to the husband's house, to the wife's house, you must decide. Otherwise, you will think everybody is going against you because you are carrying your waste from this side to that side. Even your waste is not that waste. If you're conscious, that is very good. And you're coming to connect one more beautiful world. It's a barren land. You dig, sometimes you can find oil. In the Middle East, they found oil. Sometimes a barren land, you dig, you find gold. It's up to you. Don't think that is barren, so you don't find anything. It depends upon your consciousness. How far, when you work very hard, digging happens of its own, gold happens of its own, oil comes out of its own. When you are cooking time, you cook in a slow fire, 45 minutes slow fire, you can see the oil coming out from the bone of the chicken. You can see the oil in the water and the salt coming out from the vegetables. But you have to cook your body, your mind. When everybody seems to be going against you, first of all, I'm thinking nobody goes against you. If at all you find somebody going against you, work hard. If you find you worked hard, your last talent also will be removed. You did your work 100%. Yes. Before you went to sleep, then you have not shared. You are becoming greedy. It is stinking. Stagnant water stinks. Flowing water, fresh water. What you have removed, what talent you have taken out is given, shared. It's not for you. Only if you share, you become strong. The day you do not share, you become sick. Then everybody seems to be going against you. Then the deep intimate relationship, when you lose the deep intimate relationship with the nature, then temples and masjid and churches become very important. When you don't share that your deep intimate relationship, when your body refuses to share, then what happens? Psychiatrists, hospitals, medicines, gangsters, all becomes very important for you. When everybody seems to be going against you, go work hard. Yes, something going wrong with the body. What do? Work hard. When you find the country is under trouble, work hard and produce more. Country benefits. When something goes wrong, everything is going wrong in the house, then do not shout at everybody. You work hard. You be an example to them. Keep marching ahead. When everybody seems to be going against you, even then, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Henry Ford said, the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Against the wind, he didn't mean you are against the wind, you are hating the wind, you are going to challenge the wind. You need that wind to go deep inside to fly, otherwise you cannot fly. So utilize the power of who all is going against you. Against you, you fly against the wind. Against them means you are not destroying them, you are utilizing them. You are trying to take the power, utilize the power, and then go ahead. But if you turn around and you run, the flow will destroy you. You become a nobody. That is what Henry Ford was trying to tell. When everybody seems to be going against you, remember that. Remember means be conscious. Remember that means you should be again conscious. You should not allow other people to remote control you. Do you know your power? When you sweat it out, nobody can come in between and tell this is your power, this is this and this is that. Because you understood that one particular subject so deep you are intimate relationship with that particular subject. Your roots have gone so deep you can stand tall. Then who can come and tell you this or that? Who can change your mind? Your mind is wavering because you like people talking, gossip. You enjoy gossip. You're on the TV. You allow somebody else to control you, and that becomes a drug addict, a mobile in your hand, non-stop social media, this media, that media, and you're wasting your time. You do your social media, you watch the TV, go to your film, but make sure your duty first. When you're done your duty, these are the times when you're watching the film or the mobile, is like sharing. Yes, you're done your duty already. What all the world wants and nature wants, it has been given beautifully. When everybody seems to be going against you, Henry Ford said, remember that, remember. Be a member, remember. Be a member of that community, of the consciousness. Remember means research and remember. You are not a member. You go back to become a member. Remember into your mind. Become a member. Not a sleeping partner, not a sleeping member, but an active participant in the mind. Remember, the airplane takes off against the wind. Against the wind means you go and bash up everybody. No. I enjoyed the waterfalls. When heavy waterfalls come, I go through a poke. Or I throw a straight punch when the hand pulls down. Again, pump. We got the Barchuki, Gaganachuki, and Barchuki, the falls, now I do not know, the falls are very powerful. Barchuki falls, and the more the punch, I punch, hook up. I can practice 1 hour or 2 hours, then I get tired. But I found in the waterfalls, you can do any amount of push-ups, and the hook, you throw the hook punch, the hand becomes so powerful. Against the water, you need the water to become strong. You enjoy the water to get more stamina. The airplane takes off against the wind and not with it. If it goes with the wind, airplane crashes. That's what he was trying to do. Go against means utilize them. Utilize the whole family. Stabilize the joint family. Stabilize your house. Go to your husband's house and stabilize that house. Barren land, I'm talking barren land. In the Middle East, oil was found. Gold was found in a barren land. Dig down deep inside. You can grow. Israelis did it. Barren land, no water, drip irrigation. They found everything. If they can, you can too. Henry Ford said, he was one of the richest, powerful person. I think by the time he died, he had a $200 billion worth his riches. When everybody seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. You have to decide whether you are conscious. You have to decide whether anybody is going against you. First of all, make sure you do not allow another person to control you. Nobody can go against you. If you study 1,000 times, if you practice 1,000 times before going to the stage, acting is superfluous. Henry Ford said, when everybody seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. This is my 91st. Shut this.